to learn how to build Human vs Aliens game. By the end of this video, you will have a working game engine that you can customize and use in your own projects. Human vs Alien Games is a tower defense game between humans and aliens. Kill as much as aliens as you can to upgrade and discover new humans. You will also build a similar solution today. We'll be using a Kandi kit to build this solution. Now what is a Kandi kit? Kandi one-click install kit gives you ready-to-deploy solution with a complete source code. You can access many more such ready-to-use Kandi kits on augmented reality, artificial intelligence, gaming, blockchain, and many more on Kandi. Today we'll be using a popular Kandi kit which is Human vs Aliens one-click install kit. This kit is open source and comes with a permissive license. That means you can freely edit, customize, and share your own solution. Let's get started then. Over to you, Rihanna, for a hands-on walkthrough.
Hello, hope you're all excited to build your own Humans vs Aliens gaming application. To build a fully functional Humans vs Alien gaming application, we need pygame, which is a free and open source cross-platform library for the development of multimedia applications like video games using Python, and an IDE which is completely of your choice. Everything that you need is available in the Kandi kit. Let's start by installing the Kandi kit. Check the description below for the link to the installable. This will set up the working sandbox application with all the needed prerequisites and resources. You can download the installer here and you can follow these instructions to set it up. You can pause this video now to complete the installation. Once ready, hit resume. We'll jump right into building our own Humans vs Aliens gaming application. Hope you're all set. If you have successfully set up, you will be able to see this Python file, that is humansaliens.py. In this file, first and foremost, all the required functionalities have been imported like pygame, the random function, and everything. Then the initialization for shooting sounds, bullet images, dance sounds, and background music have been done. Also setting up the screen size for game, initializing the colors, initializing the fonts, initializing the pictures, and initializing the backgrounds have been done. Then we have a class called human, in which we have a constructor and a couple of functions called update and shoot. Also we have similarly couple of classes called alien and bullet, which has a constructor and a function called update. Then spawning aliens for different levels of our game have been done. For each level of our game, different humans will play the part of shooting the aliens, namely Bernie, Arnold, Dan, Kim, Obama, and Dirks. Then the player's health score, high score, and total number of aliens passed functions have been written. And finally, game's introduction screen, game over screen, and game winning screen functions have been written. Now we have seen all the important functions that are written in this Humans Aliens Python file. Let's see how to play this game. So here is our Humans vs Aliens game. To start the application, we need to click the enter button, and for shooting purpose, we can use the space button, and for moving upwards and downwards, we can use this arrow keys. Let's start the game. We can use the space button to shoot and arrow keys to move downwards and upwards. So yes, this is our Humans vs Aliens game. You now have a working Humans vs Aliens game. Let's see how you can customize the solution. For example, let's say you want to change the image that is appearing at the first level of our game, who plays the part of shooting the aliens. Currently we have Bernie at the first level, but let's say you want to change Kim to first level. For that we need to change the directory of the image. For that we have to edit the source code, and we can change from Bernie to Kim. And we need to save the source code and run it. We need to press the enter key. There you go. Now we can see Kim at first level instead of Bernie. So this is the customization we have made. Congratulations, you now have your working humans versus aliens game that you can customize for your application.
Hope you found this session useful. Using Kandi kits is a great way to build gaming engines. You can find the link to the Human vs Alien Games kit and many other ready-to-use kits in the description below. Head over to Kandi to build incredible projects on augmented reality, artificial intelligence, blockchain, gaming, and many more. Try out Kandi kits now. Hit that subscribe button and join us at the OpenViewer community of developers to learn more and build many more incredible projects. Thank you for watching this session. Till the next one, bye-bye.